welcome back CK Chrome. Another day in the grind on the 3D print farm. Loving every minute of it, absolutely. No burnout. Anyways, so today it's crunch time. I have 2 gifts to print by tomorrow. So two Christmas gifts I need to print by tomorrow, not that big a deal. One I need to make up on my own. So one I need to make up on my own, yeah, that's what we'll be doing today, a little design work. Number 2 is we're going to get the cowl proven out. Cowl light proven out. Okay. I'll get that guy going. Another our third thing we're gonna do is we're going to assemble the David large bust. Okay. So these are the things I want to get done today. And if this goes to plan, assembling the large bust, I want to print out a pink base for it, and then try to sell a pink one, a standalone pink one. And then I'll do my colors, and I'll just copy that listing and with the optional colors I want on that. So I don't know if I missed anything. I've been printing stuff out like crazy, loving every minute of it. I've been getting sales every day, 2-3 sales a day, really slow right now. So we need to pick that up. I need to get good product out there, and I can't wait to show you guys my bigger David bust. All right, so here's some of this week's prints. Some of them is for Christmas, and some of them for my shop. This here is the tank print. I thought it came out really nice. It's the Indiana Jones tank. If you don't know what that is, here's a Hello Kitty. I have 2 of these. These are articulating. They move a little bit. I guess that's articulating, and that's what they mean by that. First time I've really printed one of them. This guy's online right now. He's on my Etsy site. And he's ready to go. We're going to print more of him. We're just waiting for more color. I'm going to get a silver one of him. He's going to be all solid color, though. And we're going to have all different colors we can print to him. And then here's another one I'm giving to another gift. Here's my pencil holder. We've all been through that one. Then here's my giant bust. Right now I'm printing the base out in pink. But this will be, my pink silk will be all the way down. And this will be another separate item, because I'm not going to sell these in pink, unless we'll see how fast it sells. But yeah, this is the beauty of my silk settings. I mean, look at my silk settings. It's just phenomenal. Phenomenal. Let's get really close up in here. I mean, that is just phenomenal silk settings. Okay, guys. I'm loving it. I can't wait to see my gold and silver. Take it easy. Video. So notes, you saw these earlier on here. I didn't go through them. I wanted to take an intermission, so it's not just me talking for 5 straight minutes. No toys. I never did want to do toys. I mean, I will if I see it fit. I'll get back to that in my note number 5. But note 1 is just no toys. I don't really want to do toys, and what I mean by that is I want to go straight into note 2, is I want to make my own designs. I don't want to sell other people's malarkey and then be in competition over who has the best video camera and who has the best and who can make them the cheapest. And I don't want to be in competition with them. I'd rather be in competition with myself and what I can do. But I have some items that will be grandfathered into my sites, will ever be. Amazon accepts everything I do, every one of my listings. TikTok that I have right now on every Etsy accepts every one of my listings. So I'm not doing anything nobody doesn't know about. But anyways, moving forward, it will be all 100% my own designs, 100%. So, and the size is big. What do I mean by that? Well, I don't know what I meant by that when I wrote it on there, but no, 3. What I'm going to think about that is the bigger the size, the better it's going to happen, man. The more authentic it's going to be. So that's why I made my bigger David bust. I can even go bigger than that and separate it out more, but then there's sanding you got to do and painting, which isn't bad. I'll get there eventually, but I just need to see where the profit is first, and then I'll make a big one. You know what I mean? We got to see what sells first, and then we'll make a big one, a really big one. And number 4, note 4 is painting. Like I'm just getting into it. Want to see how I'm getting into these notes? It's like, oh yeah, they just kind of all go together with what I'm saying. Painting is huge. The knowledge of painting, especially with spray cans. When you go first, you start using spray cans, you're going to deal with drips, and it's not drying, and you're not going to know why, and it'll just stay wet forever. And it's a huge learning curve, which I don't really wish to discuss or share on this channel. That's not what we're here to do. But I've had all kinds of other trades I've learned along the way to help me in this situation. I can get a hard coat in a half hour, and we can grab it and handle it and everything with spray paint. And another thing I want to do, note 5, which goes all together. All this goes together to note 5. Is my blender. I want to start doing blender because I do CAD for manufacturing, and that's square, blocky. It's kind of it's not the same as perhaps forming. So I'm going to start doing some blender tutorials, and if I come up with something, I'm going to show you guys, and I'll have that on some B-roll, and I'll review what I think of it. So anyways, keep on trucking. All right, everybody, welcome to the end of my day. Hope everything went well for you today. Let's go over some stuff here. I got 3 gifts to print. I'm printing them. I got them all figured out. I got the designs already, and we're good to go. So that's fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Cowlite proven out. I have the Cowlite good to go. That's part of one of the 3 gifts as well, believe it or not. So that is getting proven out and will be proven out. And assemble the large David bust. Well, I don't know where we are on that. Where do you guys think we are on that? Well, I can show you where we are on that. So here is the large David bust. Printed with my bamboo printer, of course, that you've seen. It's 2 pieces. It's just dowel pins, and one's offset to make sure you get put on the right way. And it's just a little bit of glue, and it'll be permanently mounted. So there you have it. That's my day. I hope you guys have a great day, and continue watching my journey and my documentary. Thank you.